Hey guys, we're gonna be reacting to Counter-Strike 2 in every track that it was made. I will be reacting to it, and I will actually rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. I did tell you in the comments I would do this, but without further ado, first track, Counter-Strike 2. That's the name. 3 minutes long. Dang, this is a good beat. This is pretty good so far. This is really good. This is really good beat. Valve Studio did really good. Holy crap. This is so good. Oh my god. This is one of the best songs I ever heard. Just like that beat. This is a really good song. Dang. This hits hard. This should be counted as like funk. This just hits so hard. This is so good. This is too good, guys. This is like very good. Like, this is like something out here in Call of Duty Cold War. Black Ops Cold War. Just so you know, guys. This makes me hyped for the game. I actually played it, but not like on this slot, so I've never like watched it with you guys. This is the song on my server, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause. On PC, Steam Deck and so, you can listen to these songs while playing another game. Better to do with headphones or so. Oh, that's a really good song. I love Counter-Strike 2, the song in the game. I rate that that's a 10 out of 10. That is incredible songs. Thanks for Valve Studio doing that. That is so good. That was the first track. We're on the second track. This is matchmaking maps, ticks and smokes, 1 minute and 48 seconds. Also, this is free to listen to, guys. I do recommend it. I do honestly think this is just like a good song orchestra. Now let's go. That sounds pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, so that was okay. It wasn't as good as Counter-Strike 2, the song, first one. That was the second out of third tracks. Second track. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. That was okay. It wasn't bad, but it was like average. It wasn't bad, but it was average. It's like okay. So that's why I gave it a 7 out of 10. Track 3 for disc 1. Game time. So yeah, let's go listen to this. It's pretty okay. Sounds like Counter-Strike 2, the first track. Sounds similar to it. We're like halfway through this. Dang, this is pretty good so far. So that was pretty good. That is okay, but I'll give that a 9 out of 10. It was pretty good. Not like 10 out of 10 like Counter-Strike 2, the song, which was really good. That is the disc 1 for that. 3 tracks. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to stay nerdy, guys.